really don't know what I'm gonna say aside from the car is finally sold. So I'm gonna drive it down to where the buyer is currently. It's about an actually 2-hour drive, so I get, you know, one last kind of enjoyment with the car, but it's really upsetting to think about it because this is the vehicle that kind of started everything. But really we're looking sharp as ever. Got these polished tailpipes too, and yeah, I mean it's she's ready to go. Of course, right here we have the deal was actually the tires are in such bad shape that they're gonna definitely need to be replaced, and I actually offered to part of the deal was giving him 2 OEM tires. I actually don't know where the other two, well, I sold one of them and then I lent the other one to a friend. I haven't seen it back. You guys know how that goes. So I have 2 OEM tires, or 2 OEM wheels that he'll get. So kind of really everything. We got of course the rubber mats, and then just some extra documents and some touch-up paint. Yeah, car's ready. So as you guys see, it is how the new owner is gonna pretty much get it. You know, get the Euro tails, all the Maxton kit, the Santiago wheels, and she's ready to go to her new home. Guys, look at the weather. It honestly, it really adds to today's experience. It's I don't know, rainy weather and kind of a sad occasion. Guys, all I gotta say is 2020 is a weird year. We got rain, crazy clouds over here, right? And then we got a little bit of sunshine kind of trying to peep in. This weather's so crazy. But honestly, I'm really enjoying myself on this ride. I was really kind of worried I was gonna get upset and just bummed out about driving this thing for the last time. But honestly, I'm glad I'm able to deliver the car instead of having him pick it up. Only 30 minutes left of really driving this thing, and oh man, I hope I don't get too upset about this. This is hard. As you guys can hear, I'm still living it up, trying to get the most out of it without driving quick. One of the best things about this car, and my most favorable parts about ownership, is the fact that you can really enjoy the car without even going fast. You know, the sound of the pops and bangs, just as you're casually cruising, is one of the most fun things about this car, and that sounds so weird, but I mean, it's just so fun to just kind of cruise, and then once you let off the throttle, it just does some really nice burbles. It really is quite an experience, and I'm hoping the new owner really enjoys this car and enjoys it as much as I did, because it's really quite a package. Alright, so we're at the drop-off zone. Got a nice position. She's ready to go to her new home. Oh man. At least she looks still clean. I mean, we just dealt with so much rain, and look at the side, guys. I mean, there's really not much dirt at all. We got a little bit of residue, but like, just so clean. I bet you the back's pretty dirty though. That usually gets the worst. Yeah. Got a little bit of dirt right there, but you know, still pretty clean. All right, so the car has finally been passed off. Both keys are passed off, and now you're gonna see it drive off. He put it in sport mode.
He probably doesn't know how to put it in anything else.
Yeah.